Welcome to Trading Cars, the channel where we bring you the most iconic machines from land, sea, and air. Today, we take you into the skies to explore the 2026 A-6 Intruder, a legendary all-weather attack aircraft that left a lasting legacy in military aviation. Though retired from active service, the A-6 Intruder remains a symbol of precision, endurance, and tactical power. In 2026, it continues to be studied, admired, and even speculated on as a platform that helped shape modern combat aviation. The A-6 Intruder was originally developed by Grumman for the United States Navy and Marine Corps. It first flew in 1960 and entered service in 1963. Designed to deliver heavy ordnance in all weather conditions, day or night, the Intruder quickly gained a reputation for being reliable and effective in combat. It served extensively during the Vietnam War and in multiple conflicts afterward, including Operation Desert Storm. Even in an age of stealth and drones, the A-6's versatility and performance continue to influence aircraft design today. The 2026 A-6 Intruder, viewed through a modern lens, showcases a rugged and practical design. It is powered by two Pratt & Whitney J52 turbojet engines, giving it a top speed of around 650 mph and a range of over 2,700 miles. With aerial refueling, its range was significantly extended, allowing it to reach deep into enemy territory and deliver payloads with high precision. Its low-level flying capability made it ideal for ground attack missions, especially in hostile environments. The aircraft's design features a wide fuselage that accommodates a side-by-side cockpit for the pilot and bombardier navigator. This configuration allowed for better coordination during missions and improved situational awareness. The cockpit was loaded with advanced avionics for its time, including radar, terrain-following systems, and navigation aids that made all-weather operations possible. In 2026, it is remembered as one of the earliest aircraft to combine electronic warfare capabilities with strike performance in a single airframe. The A-6 had 5 hardpoints under the wings and fuselage for carrying a wide variety of weapons. It could be equipped with conventional bombs, laser-guided munitions, missiles, and even nuclear payloads. The total payload capacity exceeded 18,000 pounds, which made it one of the most heavily armed aircraft in its class. The Intruder had no built-in guns, focusing instead on high-precision bombing and missile strikes. It could also be modified for electronic warfare in the EA-6B Prowler variant, which extended its usefulness into the 21st century. Although officially retired by the late 1990s, the A-6 Intruder's legacy lives on. Pilots praised it for its durability, reliability, and ability to get the job done under pressure. Its impact on naval aviation is still felt, and many of its design principles carried over into newer aircraft. In 2026, aviation enthusiasts and historians continue to honor the Intruder as a pioneer in strike aircraft evolution. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the skies with the A-6 Intruder. If you enjoyed this video from Trading Cars and want to see more legendary aircraft and powerful machines from around the world, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss an episode.